everyone, I'm Ailish and I run the multi-award winning natural and organic beauty blog called theglowgetter.co, and I'm here today to talk to you about the amazing benefits of Manuka honey and green tea together as a face mask. Now, the reason I've chosen these two ingredients together is because they are such a powerhouse of antioxidants that really help the skin give it its glow. So I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of the matcha green tea. Now, this has really high chlorophyll levels in it, which helps to give your skin its glow. And then I'm going to move on to the Manuka honey and use 1 tablespoon of this, which pours out quite nicely because it's so warm at the moment. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with this. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the mixture as well. The honey's also amazing because it draws moisture from the air to the skin and it keeps the moisture in the skin as well, so it's really amazing to give you that plump, glowy look that you really want. The paste ends up being a little bit like this. Just get some in your hands and apply it to your face. So I would apply it quite thickly to your face and then just spread it across your skin like this. I would leave it for around 30 minutes. Now it will set, so it will get a little bit harder on top, but it will still feel really moisturizing on your skin. So if you make too much of this, use the rest of it in the bowl to pop into a glass Kilner jar, and it should keep for about a week. So that was my Manuka honey and matcha green tea mask. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this is how I use my Manuka.